Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Dodge Journey battery. First, ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and safety gloves. Locate your battery, which is typically found under the hood or sometimes in the fender well, ready for access. Now, let's safely disconnect the old battery. Always start by disconnecting the negative terminal first. This is crucial to prevent any accidental sparks. Next, disconnect the positive terminal. After both terminals are free, remove any hold-down clamps or straps securing the battery. Carefully lift the old battery out of its tray, remembering that it can be quite heavy. With the old battery removed, it's time for the new one. First, clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly to ensure good contact. Carefully place the new battery into the tray, making sure it sits securely. Reattach any hold-down clamps or straps. Now, connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative terminal, ensuring both are tight. You're almost done. Double-check that all connections are tight and the battery is stable in its tray. Once everything is secure, start your Dodge Journey to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Finally, remember to dispose of your old battery responsibly. Most auto parts stores or recycling centers will accept them, often free of charge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.